So where are we today?
The Young Boot Shop. We're in the Christmas Island Museum.
And have you seen any sign of any pips?
There's some good roosting potential. There's a bit of a hole in the corner up there. But no, there's no mention of the Christmas Island pip. It's only birds and crabs.
We have found mention of other animals on the island, including a bat. But this is the Christmas Island flying fox. Where is the pip?
It appears to have the face of a human.
This map was made in 1977. The Christmas Island pipistrelle was around back then, but not on this map.